beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. You're here with me, Sarit and Stevie K. Okay, today guys, we're watching Revolver Rita.
Revolver Rita, and it's title teaser starring Keerthy Suresh. Yeah, that's what it is basically, written and directed by JK.Chandru. Revolver Rita. Does that name ring a bell?
Rita, man.
Does it ring a bell?
Rita?
Does it ring a
Rita?
Yeah, guys, yeah, we're going to check this one out and see what it's like. Do let us know what else to react to. I'm not going to say anything more. I'm just going to...
First time for everything.
Right. Chor. Pakado. I think Revolver Rita is gonna harder than you know.
Mame, tokka madichi, fight money ashten.
Hey, ladies and bag enna endru podu?
What you gonna find in there? Revolver.
Ennada? Ratham kuda kaayada kattiya.
Mame, bag fulla weppane, bag
Rita.
Oh.
Mame, avagitte thanda accha.
She's done a shopping as well.
Well, you like make my food first. I'll sort you out.
Hey, yaar nee? Undercover police ah?
This is happening.
Police illana raw agent akka?
True agent.
Raw agent? Achi kuda.
Akka, appa neenga spirit dana ka?
Naanu. Kaile vechirupodhu kudra.
Hey, edha kettalu illengara. Yaru nee?
Revolver Rita.
Amma,
அடுப்புல வெங்காயம் வதக்கிட்டு இருக்கு தக்காளி எங்கடி
ஒரு 5 minutes ma, தோ வந்துட்டேன்.
நீ வரதுக்குள்ள வெங்காயம் கருகிடும்
அடுப்ப சிம்ல வைமா. I'm on the way.
Happy birthday, Keerthy Suresh. I was going to say, you know what? Actually, I like that because I think certainly in the sci-fi industry, you don't get so many. I mean, even in the Hollywood, Bollywood, you don't get much women-orientated films, and then people don't tend to watch and support as much, even though they could be good films. Yeah. We all want, like, you know, male-dominated movies. Having her being the lead, I love the way that she was like cool, calm, and yeah, the way her character was. But obviously, it shows that there's a bit of a backstory with everything that she's, who she is, and what she's like. It's good. There's that bit of humor. There's a bit of fun, color. The visual cinematography looks quite good. I like
Don't mess
it.
with a normal, simple woman.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
No, it's not bad. There's nothing more we could say besides that, but it does look quite interesting, quite good.
I'd like to know though what the hell she's all about though.
No, but that's the thing. She's Revolver Rita, but we'll find out if we
Likes
watch
to
the movie.
cook,
Yeah.
Clearly.
Yeah, she's family orientated, but she doesn't.
Like me.
And she don't
Likes
take
to
no
cook.
crap from no one.
Don't take no crap from no one.
Have you got a revolver, Rita?
It's the only thing I need.
Oh. Fake you got enough. Anyway guys, that was the video, that was a reaction. Let us know in the comments below what do you guys think and feel, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care, see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.